Hello everybody, welcome to Ramit Engineering Works. So today we discuss about all the spare parts that we have in our stock right now and till in future. These spare parts are used in the power tools that is used in our daily life. These tools are like grinders, screwdrivers, drill machines and packed drill machines and power hammers, jack hammers also. So today we discuss about these things. So these tools are not forward compatible or backward compatible, so we make it the compatible with all type of tools. So as you can see here on my table, we discuss about all the tools and carbon brushes that we have in stock in our workshop. So if you want to buy and you want to repair your tools, you can contact my numbers anytime. The numbers are flashing on your screen. So let us start this video right now. So first of all, we had the power tools, spare parts like carbon brushes. As you can see here, it's carbon brushes for 6100, as you can see on your screen. As I focus on it once. So here you can see it's Akari's carbon brushes. As you can see here, it's the copyright reserved, so it's the genuine one. Here it's the trademark number here. Here is the model number for 6100, as you can see. So we have the complete range for 6100, as you can see on your screen. Here it's 6100 Akari's carbon brushes. As I open it for you, so this comes in the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 pieces in a single pack. As I open it up for you, here you can see these are for this type of carbon brushes. These are for angle grinders or drills. It's for 6100 model number of machines or tools. So here's the packaging. Here it's also the model number 6100, as you can see. As you can see here, it's designed in Taiwan, as you can see. These are very high quality products. As you know, it comes with the trust of engineer Amit Demand. Here you can also see. The second one we had is this type of CM4S carbon brushes that is used in marble cutters for 4 inches or 5 inches. As you can see here, it's the very beautiful packaging here. As you can see, here it's the model number also mentioned on the box inside. And here it's the beautiful carbon brushes. As you can see here, it's also we have the 4.3 embossed on the carbon brushes. So these are all genuine spare parts that we had, and also these are made up of copper. This also comes in 10-piece packaging. As you can see, here we have the CM4S, and also we have CM4SA. Also we have CM4SB, and the another model we have is the DW801 angle grinders carbon brushes. So we open it for you. Here you can see it's the logo here, K2 Tools, that is a registered company. And here it's the model number DW801. These are used in angle grinders. As you can see here, these are the beautiful carbon brushes. And here it's the curve used for armature commutators. for easy adjustments and placements. This also comes in the 10-piece package. If you ever interested then to buy, then contact my numbers anytime. So it's 6100 also. And here it's the another box here. So we also have the switches for CM4 marble cutouts. As you can see, we open one piece for you. Here you can see these are designed for suitable for Hitachi CM4 LG or CM4E20 DU10. DU10 is for armature, and here it's the registered number, and the company is DC. So the genuinity of these spare parts comes from, as I open it for you, here you can see the DC band is also embossed on the switch. So this means this is the 100% genuine product here. This box comes in 25-piece packaging, and it's a single color only, it's a black. So here you can see it's some switch for CM4 marble cutters. So the another product we have is the CM4 marble cutter holders, carbon brush holders, and here it comes with the cap here. Here you can put the carbon brush on this, and you can couple this cap here with screwdriver. We also deals in this type of holders. We also have the angle grinder holders for 801 angle grinders. We also deals in this type of 2-pin connectors or 2-pin tops. As you can see here, it's the beautiful 2-pin top, that is for 6 ampere 240 volts. And we also have this type of things, and we have the another type of box here. So if you are interested to buy these products, you can contact my numbers. So our next product is this type of O-rings that is used in the power hammers or demolition hammers. So these are the genuine Wanakaris, as you can see, designed in Taiwan. So it's original one. It's O-ring and made up of neoprene material. So this works in high temperatures and has extra long life. So this is PH65 O-rings. These are all we have in the quantity here. These are the O-rings we had. We had different type of O-rings also we had. So if you are interested to buy these components or spare parts, you can contact my numbers. We also had this type of carbon brushes, that is the for drills, that is of very low grades, that is from 600 to 700, or it's below 1000 rupees drill machines. These type of carbon brushes are used, as you can see, for DU10 armature drills or key drills. These type of brushes. This also we have the Viking company. We do not sell local companies or cheap Chinese one. This is the original ones. We had a lot of carbon brushes for each models, that is comes from company Viking. The another product we had is this type of AB washers. that is suitable for CM4 AB washer, CM4 marble cutters. As you can see, it comes from Suzy Components Private Limited, that is from Knits company. Here you can see it's the metal washers, you can see, which hold the blade on wood cutters or marble cutters. As you can see, we have the quantities. Each time we have the full of stock available. As you can see here, you can see this type of products on my table. These are for CM4 marble cutters. These are the AB washers. It's a piece of pair. We also had this type of AB washers for GWS 6100 angle grinders. As you can see, we use the key to move down the blades, and these washers are braked due to some fatigue or extra pressure on this angle grinders curvature wheel, so it breaks down. So if you want to change your washer for angle grinder, you can contact my numbers to buy these products or visit my shop. We also deals in the bearings. As you can see here, it's the original HCH bearings. As you can see, this is model number, it's bearing number 607, that is used in angle grinders. You can also get all type of bearings. This one is genuine one. As you can see, this type of bearings. We also have this type of bearings. We also have this type of bearing pullers. As you can see, this is 3 inches bearing puller. This type of bearing pullers are used to disassemble the armature's bearings and putting the new ones on the armatures. So here is the stock for my workshops.